the best Christmas sugar cookie recipe. Soft, sweet, and easy. Hi, I'm Margaret, your go-to Space Coast Realtor, and today I'm trading house tours for holiday cheer with an amazing sugar cookie recipe you'll want to bake every Christmas. Stay to the end for a fun sugar cookie fact that might just surprise you. Welcome to the kitchen, the real heart of the home during the holidays. This is where memories are baked, flour ends up everywhere, including the dog, and someone always sneaks just one more cookie. If you're already dreaming of a bigger counter, better lighting, or a kitchen with enough space to roll dough without knocking over the coffee maker, just know your favorite Space Coast Realtor is standing by whenever you are ready. Now, grab your apron. Let's bake. Classic Christmas sugar cookies, guaranteed to disappear. These are soft in the middle, lightly crisp on the edges, and perfect for decorating, gifting, or eating straight off the cooling rack like a rebel. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. Holiday magic starts here. 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Optional, but encouraged, festive sprinkles, icing, and holiday music turned up way too loud. Directions: cream the butter and sugar together until they're light and fluffy. This is where the cookie magic begins. Beat in the egg and vanilla, scraping down the sides like a pro baker, or at least pretending to be one. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Slowly mix the dry ingredients into the wet until a soft dough forms. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Yes, it matters. And no, future you will not regret it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line baking sheets with parchment paper. Roll dough to about 1/4 inch thick, cut into festive shapes, and place on baking sheets. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, edges just barely golden. Cool completely before decorating. Or don't, I won't tell. Decorating tip. This is the part where kids get involved. Frosting goes everywhere, and somehow one cookie ends up looking like a snowman and another like a potato. It's perfect. Real estate intermission, because multitasking is a skill. If you're baking these cookies and thinking, wow, I really want a kitchen with more counter space next Christmas, that's your sign. Whether it's a bigger kitchen, a better layout, or a perfect nook for your Christmas tree, I'd love to help you find the dream home right here on the Space Coast. Fun sugar cookie fact. You made it! Sugar cookies date back to the 1700s, originally called Nazareth cookies, created by the German settlers in Pennsylvania. So basically, sugar cookies have been spreading Christmas joy for centuries. No pressure, but you're continuing a delicious tradition. When you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, your home, or just start dreaming about next Christmas in a new space, don't forget to call your favorite Space Coast Realtor. I'd love to help you find the perfect home with the perfect kitchen to bake in. My email is margaret.klein@exprealty.com. You can call or text 321-480-7662. Check homes out on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. And don't forget my YouTube channel for tons of walkthroughs and cool information at Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Happy baking, happy holidays, and here's to homes filled with cookies, laughter, and a little extra flour on the counter. P.S. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, home tours, and buying and selling information. Margaret Klein signing off, and Merry Christmas to all.